G'day, I'm David from Tesla Down Under, and in this video we're going to check out the 3 stopping modes available in my Tesla Model 3. To access the stopping mode, simply press the controls icon, followed by driving, and scroll down to see the 3 stopping modes being creep, roll and hold. Let's start with creep. So in creep mode, the car's going to slowly move forward when I take my foot off the brake. We're now going to do exactly the same thing on the flat. Here I am taking my foot off the brake. You can see that the car's automatically moving whilst in creep mode. I'll now bring the car to a stop by placing my foot on the brake. Let's now change from creep to roll. When in roll, the Model 3 becomes free rolling, like a car in neutral. It's important to note that in roll mode, the brake will not engage and the motor will not apply torque unless the accelerator is pressed. Okay, so whilst in roll, you can see that on the flat, the car will not move when I take my foot off the brake. But if I start to accelerate, let's now check out hold and see how the car reacts on the flat. Here you can see I'm going to take my foot off the brake whilst in hold mode. The car isn't going to move. I'm now going to place my foot on the accelerator. I'm going to take my foot off the accelerator and the car's automatically going to come to a stop without placing my foot on the brake. Okay, so we've seen how each stopping mode works on the flat. Now let's see how hold mode works going downhill. Okay, so you can see I'm in hold mode. I'm now going to gently place my foot on the accelerator and go forward, going downhill. I'm then going to lift my foot off the accelerator and the car's automatically going to come to a stop without me placing my foot on the brake whilst going downhill. According to Tesla, this maximizes range by extending the regenerative braking to lower speeds and automatically blends in brakes to hold the vehicle at a stop. So a common question that people have got when in hold mode is, when do the brake lights activate? Okay, so here you can see I'm putting my foot on the accelerator, driving forward. I'm now taking my foot off the accelerator and the brake lights are coming on. In my opinion, the hold stopping mode is the best feature that's been delivered via over-the-air updates from Tesla so far. Let's now put hold to the ultimate test and see how it goes against the steepest street in Brisbane. But before we see that, I want to take a moment to thank those that have already subscribed to the channel. It really is appreciated. And if you're new, click the subscribe button and bell notification to automatically get notified of new content and help grow this new and exciting channel. So we're now going to navigate to the steepest street in Brisbane without touching the brake pedal. Because your time is precious, I'm not going to bore you and show the entire trip. Instead, I have included a number of typical driving scenarios that you would face on a day-to-day basis driving in the city. Just look how easy it is keeping with the flow, even in built-up traffic. Here you can see I've returned to normal video speed to show me reducing the speed of the car by gradually easing my foot off the accelerator to take the right-hand turn. Now I am driving uphill and will bring the car to a complete stop simply by taking my foot off the accelerator. Now for the final turn. On the left-hand side you can see the sharp incline warning sign. Well, we've done it. We've arrived at our location and we didn't touch the brake once. We're now going to put the Tesla Model 3 to the ultimate test and see how it handles the steepest street in Brisbane. Let's find out. So here we are on the steepest street in Brisbane and the car's automatically on hold. Let's see how it handles going downhill. So despite the car trying its very best to come to a complete stop on this extreme challenge, it failed to hold and I had to use the brake for the first time on this trip. Let's check out the owner's manual. Open owner's manual. That never gets old. Okay, so according to the owner's manual, hold maximises range and reduces brake wear by continuing to provide regenerative braking at speeds lower than with the creep and roll settings. It also includes a warning to say never rely on hold to adequately decelerate or fully stop your vehicle. Many factors can contribute to a longer stopping distance, including downward slopes. Don't we know it? It goes on to say always be prepared to use the brake pedal to adequately decelerate or stop. I was really surprised at how quickly I got used to the hold stopping mode and the complete ease of one pedal driving. It handles stop-start traffic with ease simply by feathering the accelerator and is an absolute dream to drive on windy country roads with the added safety of regen braking along with instant torque. If you drive a Tesla, I'd love to hear what stopping mode you prefer, and if you don't, please comment and let me know what you would choose if you had this amazing feature. We sincerely hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed making it. If you did, click the like button and don't forget to click subscribe. Please note I am not affiliated with Tesla and my opinions expressed in this video are my own. If you do decide to purchase a Tesla, please use my referral link contained within the video description of all of my videos to receive 1500 kilometers of free supercharging. If you are unsure on what to do, please check out my how to receive 1500 kilometers of free supercharging video. Catch you later.